Go. Have you ever heard someone playing all these stuff and you're like, what is he playing? And I like that, but I don't understand what he's doing. What is he playing? I want to see it today. Thank me. Please subscribe button. Yeah, that's how to thank me. Alright. And tell your friend about this channel. That's how to thank me. God bless you. Alright, let's get to the keys. Okay, so what am I doing? It's very simple. First off, I think we should let's revise how we go about our chromatic scale. Yeah. So your chromatic scale, that's a scale that consists of all the notes C, C sharp, D, D sharp, all the way back, all the way to B, to the next C. All right. So right. So how will you play that? So I'll do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 rather. So I'll do 1, 3. 1, 3, then 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3. So if you notice, there's something that is constant. That's going to happen for your left hand and your right hand. That's your middle finger is playing the black keys. Yeah, I'm not really in the mood for this. All right. So your middle finger is playing the black keys. So let me show you for right hand. So if you want to come back, you follow the same chain. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1. Yeah. Right hand. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. If you come back, same thing. 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. Alright, so you should be able to do that with your left hand and your right hand. Alright, so let's go. Yeah, it's not hard to play. Okay, so Sister Makada is watching. Have you subscribed? I just make I remind you. Oh, okay. So what have I been doing? I've been doing this stuff most time. You hear me do this stuff in my videos. So I'm reading, I'm just playing major thoughts interval. That's it. Secret exposed. Secret exposed. Yeah. I'm just playing major thoughts. Let's pick F sharp and B flat. Most times this is where I start. You can start from anywhere. But I like starting from these guys. So you'll have heard this a lot of me. So I just pick major thoughts with these two fingers. You know, they are the ones that play the black keys, and I just keep going down. So this guy, your thumb. So this guy again. 1, 2 goes here. So and I keep going like that. Mistake. No. Right. Let's continue. So that's what I do, though, my people. Yeah. So. God bless you. Click the subscribe button for more. God bless you. Bye.